Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make Moroccan Harira or Moroccan tomato soup with oats. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box and as well at the beginning of this video. And thank you again for all the new subscribers, the comments, the likes, I really appreciate it. For the new fans who are joining, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Enjoy the video. So first of all, I will saute the onions and the celeries in the Instant Pot. So I hit saute and add a little bit of olive oil. Then add the chopped onions. And then the chopped celery. And let it saute for about 10 minutes. And make sure you mix it once in a while so the vegetables don't stick to the bottom of the Instant Pot. And this recipe could be totally done on stovetop just with small changes and a little longer time to cook. When the onions and celery start getting a little tender, I will add a splash of water and scrape the bottom of the pot. And then add the chickpeas. After sauteing the onions, the celery, and the chickpeas, I will cancel the saute option and then add the tomato sauce, and then add the chopped up parsley. I saved a little bit for garnish. And then I will add all the spices. The black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Then ginger, about a quarter teaspoon. Turmeric, about half a teaspoon as well, or 3/4. Then salt. And for the chicken or vegetable bouillon, you can definitely substitute water with liquid chicken or vegetable broth. So instead of using 32 ounces of water, you can use 32 ounces of chicken broth or vegetable broth. And then I will add the tomato paste. I used half of this tomato paste can, which is about 3 ounces. After adding all the ingredients except the oats, which are gonna be saved until almost the end, I will mix everything together and then add 32 ounces of water or chicken broth or vegetable broth. After you add the water or the chicken broth or the vegetable broth, put the lid on, make sure it's locked and it's sealed. Then hit pressure cook on high for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can slowly release the pressure or manually. And this is totally optional if you want to add some aged Moroccan butter. And now I will add a 1/4 cup of oats of your choice, and then I will saute again for about 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid reduces and the soup becomes thicker. To serve this dish, you can garnish with some fresh chopped up parsley or a squeeze of lemon juice. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive all my new videos. Until the next one, please stay safe. Bon appétit!